Okay, now author itself is describing the story. Accidentally he got an animal, that is sloth bear. Okay, and now he has presented this sloth bear to his wife as a gift. Okay, and his wife was too attached to this bear, and she also named it Bruno. And he also tells us that how much he eats. Right? He was a petu, like he was foodie. Okay, so he said it. जो ऑथर है वो उसको पेटू बुलाते हैं कि वो इतना ज्यादा खाता है because he tells a long list of liquid and some alcohol like things whatever he eats, isn't it? And author also tells one accident he got, like he just took some poison, okay, from his library because he was used to go often in the library, and once author has kept the put the poison there, and it was eaten by the Bruno. Then he just reached to a veterinary doctor, and doctor examined what was the cause of this, like so he has become paralysis. Okay, then he give a treatment to him, and finally when he was giving a treatment, so a dash back to the car. Bruno still floundering. Floundering means struggling to move. Means it was still unable to move. Then about all his stumps, but clearly weakening, rapidly some vomiting, heavy breathing, and with having flanks. Flanks means taking deep breath. Okay, जो अभी तक उसकी कंडीशन थी वो बहुत ज़्यादा नाजुक थी. And gaping mouth, मतलब उसका जो मुंह था वो अभी भी ओपन था because of this condition. Right? Hold him everybody. In goes the hypodermic. Bruno squeals. Squeals means Bruno screams. वो चिल्लाता है. अब क्यों चिल्लाता है? Like 10 cc of the antidote enters in system without a drop being wasted. Means antidote, do you know? A medicine taken or given for the Bruno. Counterate. Counterate means like to remove the poison, to drive away the poison from the body of someone. Okay. पॉइजन को निकालने के लिए, काउंटर करने के लिए जो दिया गया उसको इंजेक्शन, सो उससे जो ब्रूनो चिल्लाता है उस टाइम पर, ऑल वी नो हियर एंड रीड हियर. होल्ड हिम एवरीबॉडी. इन गोज हाइपोडर्मिक. मतलब हाइपोडर्मिक मीन्स अ लॉन्ग निडल used to give this medicine to Bruno, to give the antidote to counter the poison from its body. Okay. Then without a drop being wasted, 10 minutes later, condition unchanged. Another 10 cc. 10 cc, do you know? This is a measurement of injection like 10 cc. 10 cube centimeter. Okay. The medicine again injected to him. And 10 minutes later, breathing less stertorous. Stertorous means noisy. Again, the condition was not so good. It was creating some breaths like noisy breaths. Okay. Breathing noisily. Bruno can move his arms and legs a little, although he cannot stand yet. अब वो थोड़ा सा तो better means little improvement was there in its condition, but still it was not able to walk and stand properly, isn't it? 30 minutes later, Bruno disdainfully, as much as to say, Bruno gets up and has a great feed. He looks at us disdainfully, as much as to say, what's barium carbonate to a big black bear like me? Bruno is still eating. Okay, means after 30 minutes, first author is telling here that doctor suggested us to मीन्स ग्रैब इट स्ट्रिक्टली, उसको अच्छे से पकड़ने के लिए बोलता है, होल्ड करने के लिए बोलता है, बिकॉज ही वाज गोइंग टू गिव एन एंटीडोट टू हिम. ओके, तो उसने एक बड़ी सी लार्ज सी निडल से वो एंटीडोट उसकी बॉडी में एंटर किया टू काउंटर द पॉइजन फ्रॉम इट्स बॉडी. राइट. आफ्टर 10 minutes there was no improvement. Okay, it was still in the same condition, isn't it? It was not moving and not doing anything else. Even he also taking the breaths very बस थोड़ा सा उसकी ब्रीथ में एक नॉइज सुनाई दे रहा था. ठीक है. देन आफ्टर 10 minutes he just we found some little improvement in its condition, but still it was not able to walk and stand properly, isn't it? Then after 30 minutes, then doctor given the 10 cc antidote again to its body, injected again. Okay, after that 30 minutes later it like stand properly and started eating, और उसने फिर से खाना शुरू कर दिया. Then it looks, अब ऑथर कहते हैं कि वो ऐसा लग रहा था जैसे वो खा रहा था, मीन्स देयर वाज नो प्रॉब्लम वाज विद हिम, कि उसके पास साथ ऐसी कोई प्रॉब्लम हुई ही नहीं थी. एंड और ऐसा लग रहा था, ऑथर कहते हैं बिल्कुल वो वर्ड्स बताते हैं, द सेम फीलिंग ही इज टेलिंग ऑफ अ डॉग और ब्रूनो, सॉरी बैग और ब्रूनो, दैट ही वाज शोइंग अस लाइक what is the carbonate, barium carbonate for him, like this type of bear. Okay, ऐसे bear के लिए, इतने big और large bear के लिए ये छोटा सा poison क्या मायने रखता है? There is no effect on its body of its. Okay, तो उसके लिए इसका कोई भी effect नहीं पड़ा. And still he was eating, और वो अभी भी खा ही रहा है. Another time he found nearly 1 gallon of old engine oil which I had drained from the sump of the Studebaker and was keeping as a weapon against the inroads of termites. Okay, now author is telling another incident, one other accident got by the Bruno. What was it? That after this, another time he found nearly 1 gallon. Gallon is a unit of a to measurement of oil and something. Okay, measure करने के लिए जो एक लीटर जैसे हम बोलते हैं, like gallon. Okay, gallon of oil, engine oil, which I had drained from the sump of Studebaker. Studebaker, an American old car. Okay, Studebaker, and was keeping as a weapon against the inroads of termite. Termite means दीमक. दीमक से बचाने के लिए ऑथर ने क्या किया है, जो उनकी एक पुरानी कार खड़ी हुई थी स्टुडबेकर, उसमें सम्प इज अ बेस और एन इंटरनल एरिया वेयर द ओल्ड ऑयल स्टोर्ड. ओके, तो वहां पर उस सम्प में जहां ऑयल स्टोर होता रहता है व्हीकल का, वहां से उन्होंने ऑथर ने कुछ ऑयल स्टोर करके निकाल करके रख दिया था इन अ गैलन. ओके, एंड दिस वाज ड्रैंक, प्रॉम्प्टली ड्रैंक बाय द ब्रूनो. और ब्रूनो उसको पूरे के पूरे ऑयल को जो उन्होंने दीमक से मतलब दीमक लगने पर यूज करने के लिए रखा था, वो सारा वो पी लेता है. बट देयर वाज नो हार्मफुल इफेक्ट वोट एवर. ओके, इतना ज्यादा हार्मफुल इफेक्ट उसका कुछ भी उस पर नहीं हुआ. The months rolled on and Bruno had grown many times and size he was when he came. Now passage of the time, it was passage of the months, it was growing up. Okay, and it has grown like he has many times the size he was when he came. Okay, just जितना बड़ा वो आया था उसके वो ट्रिपल मतलब बहुत गुना ज्यादा बड़ा हो चुका था. Now he had equal to Alsatian in height and had even outgrown them. Okay, now author is telling कि Alsatian जो dogs होते हैं उनकी हाइट बहुत अच्छी होती है, ऑलमोस्ट उनके बराबर इसकी हाइट हो चुकी थी, इवन उनसे भी ज्यादा ये ग्रोन कर चुका था, उनसे भी ज्यादा बड़ा लगने लगा था इन इट्स साइज. बट was just as sweet as mischievous, just as playful, but it was like in its childhood. Okay, जैसा कि वो बचपन में छोटा था वैसे ही उसकी अभी भी एक्टिविटी थी. It was sweet, it was mischievous means naughty, and it was playful. And he was very fond of all of us, and he was also lovable for all of us, and we also loved it much. Okay, but all of them, above of them all, okay, above of all, like author is telling about his family members and all the surroundings like tenants and the family members, relatives, but it was just that he loved much to his wife. वो सभी में सबके लिए बहुत ज़्यादा लवेबल था, एंड ही ऑल्सो लव्ड टू एवरीवन. बट उन सभी के बीच में वो सबसे ज़्यादा प्यार किसको करता था? ऑथर की वाइफ को. ही वॉज टू अटैच्ड विद हर हिज वाइफ. ओके, एंड एट द कमांड नाउ ही इज टेलिंग सम एक्टिविटी ऑफ ब्रूनो. ही इज डिस्क्राइबिंग विच एक्टिविटी मीन्स नाउ हिज वाइफ हैज चेंज्ड इट्स नेम टू बाबा. ब्रूनो टू बाबा. अब ब्रूनो की जो ऑथर की जो वाइफ है उन्होंने ब्रूनो को एक नया नाम दे दिया था. शी हैज चेंज्ड इट नेम टू बाबा. एंड word signifies small boy, जो छोटे बच्चों को इंडियन लैंग्वेज में बाबा या बाबू ऐसे हम बोल देते हैं. So this means it has been given to by his wife to Bruno. Okay. Now at the command, अब जब भी वो बाबा को कमांड देती थी, जब भी वो बाबा को कोई कॉल करती थी, मतलब बाबा को बुलाती थी, so बाबा रेशल और बाबा बॉक्स, तो वो क्या करता था, एकदम से वो बॉक्स को ऐसे जैसे रेसलिंग कर रहा है शुरू हो जाता था कमांड मिलने पर. ओके. एंड ही विगोरसली टैकल्ड एनीवन हु केम फॉरवर्ड फॉर अ रफ एंड टम्बल, और अचानक से अगर कोई उसके सामने आ जाए तो वो उस पर अटैक करता था, वैसे जैसे वो कमांड करती थी, लाइक बॉक्सिंग के लिए. ओके. एंड देन इफ दे कमांड गिव हिम अ स्टिक, अगर वो उसको स्टिक दे देते थे कोई भी और कहते थे, बाबा को बोलते थे होल्ड गन एंड ही पॉइंटेड द स्टिक एट यू, आस्क हिम. ओके. बाबा वेयर्स बेबी, वो जैसे उसको स्टिक दे दी जाती थी और उसको बोला जाता था बाबा दिस इज योर गन, लाइक स्टैंड योर गन, तो वो सीधे गन को बिल्कुल ऐसे सामने निशाना लगा देता था उस स्टिक से, लाइक अ गन. ओके. एंड इफ दे आस्क बाबा वेयर इज योर बेबी, दे सिंपली सेड वेयर इज बेबी एंड ही इमीडिएटली प्रोड्यूस्ड एंड क्रेडल्ड, वो एक क्रेडल करना शुरू कर देता है. क्रेडल मीन्स, क्रेडल डू यू नो, लाइक उछालना या गोद में झुलाना जिसको हम बोलते हैं. ठीक है. लाइक प्रोटेक्टिवली वी जस्ट टेक समथिंग प्रोटेक्टिवली एंड लाइक वी in our lap or just by a gap. Okay. Affectionately, a stump of wood which he had carefully concealed in his straw bag, जो उसने अपने straw bag में छुपा करके, concealed means hidden, hide करके रखा हुआ था. a stump of wood, एक लकड़ी का टुकड़ा उसने बना रखा था, वो उसको एक बेबी की तरह ट्रीट करता था. and when they asked him where's baby, so he started to crawl it. Okay. वो उसको खिलाना मतलब झुलाना अपनी गोद में शुरू कर देता था. But because of this, the tenants' children, poor Bruno और बाबा had to be kept chained most of the time. लेकिन अब क्योंकि टेनेंट्स के बच्चे वहाँ पर रहते थे and it can be harmful because it was grown up. Okay. अब वो बड़ा हो चुका था, so it was chained most of the time. उसको चेन करके रखा, मतलब जंजीरों में बांध करके रखा जाता था ज़्यादातर टाइम के लिए. Then my son and I advised my wife and friends advised her too to give Baba to the zoo at Mysore. Okay. Now author has said that author's children like son and author itself and his relatives advised to his wife to keep him away from there and to keep him in a zoo in Mysore, to shift him. Okay. Then he was getting too big to keep at home and it can be dangerous. After some weeks of such advice, she at last consented hastily, and before she could change her mind, a letter was written to the curator of the zoo. Now author is telling that before my wife is going to change her mind, I just took an action. And what was that? He wrote a letter to curator. Curator means a person who taking care of charge of the zoo and who is having in charge of the zoo. Okay. So he wrote a letter to curator of the zoo. Did he want a tame bear for his collection? And he asked in his letter if they want a tame bear means a pack, एक पालतू वेयर अगर वो चाहते हैं अपने कलेक्शन में इन द जू, राइट. देन ही रिप्लाइड यस. द जू सेंट अ केस फ्रॉम मैसूर इन अ लॉरी. उन्होंने एक लॉरी में एक केस को भेज दिया टू कैरी दिस बाबा. ओके. एंड अ डिस्टेंस ऑफ 87 miles एंड बाबा वाज पैक्ड ऑफ, और अब बाबा को मैसूर जू में भेज दिया गया. We all missed him greatly, but in a sense we were relieved. My wife was inconsolable. Inconsolable means sad. She was feeling very sad. Okay, unhappy. She wept and fretted. Fretted means worried, unhappy, and thinking too much about she was not relaxed, thinking about Bruno how was he feeling there, how is he there, okay, about all those things. For the first few days, she wouldn't eat a thing. She was missing too much that she didn't eat anything else, okay, for like in this tension. Okay, and because she was unrelaxed and she was unhappy. That is why. For the first few days, she wouldn't eat a thing, and then she wrote a number of letters to the curator. How was Baba? Back came the reply, well, but fretting. He refuses food too. Means now she has started writing lots of letters there to curator, and she got a reply that Baba was well, but it was frettingness, it was unhappy, it was also not relaxed, okay, sad, and he was also not taking anything else. Means he was also not eating anything else. वो भी कुछ नहीं खा रहा था. After that, friends visiting Mysore were back to make a point of going to the zoo and seeing how Baba was getting along. Means if someone is going to just spend their time like holidays, so my wife was advising all the relatives to visit if someone, our relative is going to Mysore, so they were advised by my wife. Author is telling that these relatives were and the friends were advised by author's wife to go to zoo and to know that how the Baba is leading its life. Okay. They reported that he was well but looked very thin and sad. And they answered, the relative informed his wife that it was well but it has become thin and also he was sad, unhappy. Right. All the keepers at the zoo said he was fretting. And जो भी वहाँ पर टेकिंग केयर के लिए रखे जाते हैं कीपर्स हैं जू में, दे ऑल्सो रिप्लाइड टू दोज रिलेटिव्स दैट ही वाज ऑलवेज लुक्स अनहैप्पी, ओके, एंड सैड. For their 3 months, I managed to restrain my wife. Restrain means to stop. Means author somehow managed to stop his wife to go to the zoo, to Mysore. Okay, उसने किसी तरह रोके रखा 3 months के लिए अपनी वाइफ को, isn't it? But then she said one day, पर एक दिन उन्होंने कहा, I must see Baba. Where either you take me by car or I will go myself by bus or train. So I took her by car. Means she straightforwardly asked me to bring her to Baba. Okay. When I didn't reply her, so she asked that if I am not going with her, then she will be going by herself. Okay, by a bus or by a train. Then I agreed and I went with her by car. Friends had conjectured means formed opinion by guessing. Okay, this was the opinion of our friends that the bear wouldn't recognize her. Means when we will be going there, so the bear, because he is living in a zoo, so now he will obviously forgot my wife and he will not identify or recognize her. Okay, they were just guessing about this. I had thought so too. Means author is telling this was also the opinion of author. The same opinion was of author. But while she was yet some yards from his cage, Baba saw her and recognized her. Means now she didn't reach still to his cage. अभी वो उसके केज तक पहुंची भी नहीं है. She was far away in the yard only. Okay, अभी वो यार्ड में बहुत दूर है उसके केज से. And Baba recognized her and started like showing his feelings, expression of happiness. Okay. Baba saw her and recognized her. He hauled with happiness. Hauled means expresses his happiness. Like उछलना उसने शुरू कर दिया. वही scream. Hauled से मतलब होता है scream करना. उसने चिल्लाना शुरू कर दिया to express his happiness. अपनी happiness दिखाने के लिए. She ran up to him, patted him through the bars, and he stood on his head in delight. Stood on his head in delight means खुशी से उल्टा हो जाना और बहुत ज़्यादा अपनी happiness को express करना. Now author is telling that how both were like showing their expression of happiness to meet after meeting to each other. Okay, दोनों एक दूसरे से मिलने के बाद इतना ज़्यादा वो love यहाँ पर actually author हमें बताता है why he has given the name of this topic the bond of love. This was the bond of love that animal shows for the lady. Like he was leading a life unhappy. Okay, he has also become thin. He was also not eating in the starting days. Like, but later when he has started eating something, but he was missing too much to my wife, and even he was not happy. He was leading a life unrelaxed, unhappy, and sad, isn't it? But this time he has showed that he recognized his wife and started showing his happiness. Okay, and his wife also was too happy to see him in this way. For the next 3 hours she would not leave that cage. लगभग 3 hours के लिए उसने 1 सेकंड के लिए भी केज को नहीं छोड़ा. She gave him tea, lemonade, cakes, ice cream and what not. वो इतना सब कंटेंट अपने साथ ऑब्जेक्ट्स लेकर के आई थी, लाइक मटेरियल्स, उसको खिलाने के लिए. And then closing time came and we had to leave. Now the keepers came to close the cage. Zoo means it was the time to close for the closing the zoo. Okay, so my wife cried bitterly. बहुत बुरी तरह से वो चिल्लाती है, रोती है. Baba cried bitterly. Baba also cried bitterly. Baba भी सेम वैसे ही रोना शुरू कर देता है. Even the hardened curator means by feelings they are strong persons, and the keepers felt depressed. वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा डिप्रेस फील करते हैं जब इन दोनों की ऐसी कंडीशंस को देखते हैं. ब्रूनो एंड ऑथर्स वाइफ्स कंडीशन, लाइक दे बोथ वर वीपिंग व्हेन दे वर गोइंग फार. ओके, as for me I had reconciled myself to what I know was going to happen next. Now author is telling that he has understood now that what was the next moment going to happen. अभी आगे क्या होने वाला है. He guessed. Oh please sir, she asked the curator, may I have my Baba back? और author ने भी यही guess किया था that his wife is going to ask the curator to take the Baba back. Okay. Hesitantly he answered, madam, he belonged. Hesitantly because like they were also strong by their feelings, but this time by watching the love affection of the animal and the lady, they also have become nervous and they also have become depressed. Okay, that is why hesitantly he replied, madam, he belongs to the zoo and is government property now. Means the Baba has become the government property now, so they can't return it. Okay, like they can't away from without permission, like government property. But if my boss, the superintendent at Bangalore, agrees, certainly you may have him back. But he also told her that if his boss, his senior superintendent, allow them to bring it back, so definitely they may. Okay. There followed the return journey to Bangalore and a visit to the superintendent's bungalow. Then author is telling that with my wife they reached to Bangalore to the superintendent bungalow. And a tearful pleading means my wife requested him tearfully. Okay, मतलब वो रोते हुए उनसे बहुत politely request करती है. Baba and I are both fretting for each other. Means हम दोनों ही एक दूसरे से अलग रह करके बहुत दुखी रहते हैं. Fretting means unhappy and unrelaxed. Okay, not relaxed. Will you please give him back to me? He was a kind-hearted man. वो बहुत ज़्यादा kind-hearted दयालु व्यक्ति थे. So and consented. Not only that, but the road to the curator telling, उन्होंने ना सिर्फ बाबा को वापस ले जाने की परमिशन दी, even he also wrote the curator to him to lend us a cage for transporting the bear to Bangalore. कि केज में ही उसको बेंगलोर तक एक केज भी उन्होंने अलाउ कराया बाबा के साथ हमारे घर तक पहुंचाने के लिए. Back we went to Mysore again armed with the superintendent's letter. वो सुपरिटेंडेंट का लेटर लेकर के वापस जाते हैं वहीं. Okay, Mysore. Baba was driven into a small cage and hoisted means raised. उसको वहां से निकाल करके सेट किया जाता है on top of the car. जो केज है उसका वो कार के ऊपर रख दिया जाता है. Then slowly and gradually we slow and carefully return journey to Bangalore was accomplished. Okay. ओके, अकम्प्लिश्ड मीन्स फुलफिल्ड, कंप्लीटेड। तो किसी तरह से धीरे धीरे उन्होंने अपनी जर्नी को कंप्लीट किया, वो पहुंच गए अपने प्लेस तक। वंस होम अ स्क्वाड ऑफ कुलीज वर एंगेज्ड फॉर स्पेशल वर्क इन आवर कंपाउंड। ओके, नाउ ऑथर इज टेलिंग कि अब जब वो घर आ जाते हैं तो अ स्क्वाड मीन्स अ टीम ऑफ कुलीज, अब कुछ लोगों की को बुलाया गया, टीम को बुलाया गया है टू गिव सम लाइक टू डू सम इम्पोर्टेंट वर्क। व्हाट वाज इट? स्पेशल वर्क इन आवर कंपाउंड। कंपाउंड मीन्स लाइक ओपन एरिया, ग्राउंड, मे बी इट विल बी फ्रंट ऑफ द हाउस ऑफ द ऑथर और मे बी इन द बैक साइड ऑफ द हाउस। ओके, उन्हीं के घर के अंदर या तो वो कहीं बाहर आगे कोई यार्ड था या पीछे, उन्होंने उस जगह में कुछ बनवाना था। एन आइलैंड, व्हाट वाज दे वर गोइंग टू प्रिपेयर? एन आइलैंड। आइलैंड बेसिकली अ टापू, अ piece of land surrounded by the water। ओके, लेकिन अभी यहाँ पर पानी तो नहीं है आसपास, पर उन्होंने आइलैंड कैसे बनाया? नाउ ही इज टेलिंग, डिस्क्राइबिंग दैट इट वाज 20 feet long and 15 feet wide and was surrounded by a dry pit or moat। pit or moat, do you know? pit,
गड्ढा।
वेरी गुड। एक जो गड्ढा होता है लाइक अ लार्ज हॉल इन द ग्राउंड, ओके, एंड मोट खाई, ओके, अ वेरी लाइक डीप डिच, इजंट इट? तो उन्होंने इस तरीके से एक ये प्लेस बनवा दिया, ठीक है। अब ये एक प्लेस है और यहाँ से इन्होंने यहाँ भी एक बड़ा सी डिच बनवा दी और ये भी एक गड्ढा टाइप सा बनवाया उन्होंने, क्योंकि पानी तो यहाँ पर है नहीं, एक ड्राई डिच, सॉरी एक ड्राई पिट बनवाया है इसको, सूखा ये पिट है आगे, और यहाँ से भी इन्होंने ऐसे बना दिया। अब ये जो दोनों, ये चारों तरफ जो ये लैंड है, बीच में एक आइलैंड बनाया है, उसकी जो सराउंडेड की पूरी एरिया है वो पूरा का पूरा ब्लैंक है, मतलब ये ऐसे करके खाई बना दी है उस लैंड के चारों तरफ, आइलैंड के चारों तरफ। वो किस लिए? बिकॉज ब्रूनो हैज बिकम big now, okay, like complete bad he has become, so he can be dangerous for anyone else, so he can't enter to house and the other area from this island, he will be here only, okay, that is why he has arranged a place for kids, clear? Then
वो ब्रूनो को खाना कैसे देते थे?
like you will see that, so Bruno will be on this place only, okay, he will not go to their house from there, okay, and also will not go from this side, because चारों तरफ से उसके क्या है, डिच बनी हुई है बहुत गहरी।
लेडी थी,
foods for it, okay,
factory,
yes। back we went to sorry, once Homer squad they prepare an island for its for Baba, okay, and it was 20 feet long and 15 feet wide and was surrounded by the dry pit। ये जो dry pit बनाया हुआ है उन्होंने, that was ditch, okay, a wooden box that once housed fowls was brought and put, fowls means hens and cooks, okay, जो एक लकड़ी का बना हुआ एक बड़ा सा बॉक्स होता है जिसमें फाउल्स रहते थे, ठीक है, उसको अरेंज किया गया उसी आइलैंड पर बाबा के लिए, टू स्लीप इन एट नाइट, रात में सोने के लिए, isn't it? and its straw, जो पहले उसका बिस्तर हुआ करता था वो भी वहां पर अरेंज कर दिया गया इनसाइड टू कीप हिम वार्म, ओके, एंड हिज बेबी लाइक द wooden okay stump and the gun, the same stick, these were the toys of Baba, वो भी वहीं उसको बैम्बू के थ्रू पहुंचा दिए गए, both of which had been sentimentally preserved since he had been sent away to the zoo, were put back for him to play with। sentimentally means emotionally, the author's wife was attached to Bruno, so she kept all those toys with her, उसने बड़े सेफली उनको स्टोर करके रखा हुआ था। when Bruno has come back, so she provided it to Bruno to play with them, okay, in a few days the coolies hoisted means raised by means of ropes or pulleys, okay, उन्होंने रॉप के थ्रू, रस्सियों के थ्रू उसको केस को वहां पहुंचाया गया, उस जो आइलैंड बनाया गया है, और उसको फिर वहां पर ओपन कर दिया गया, किसके लिए? ब्रूनो के लिए। नाउ ब्रूनो हैज बिकम फ्री, अब ब्रूनो फ्रीली वहां पर रहेगा आइलैंड पर, ओके। Then author is telling here that he pointed his then these were the activity. He was delighted, he was too happy and standing on his hind legs. अब वो पीछे वाली legs पर अपने खड़ा हो जाता है ब्रूनो. And he pointed his gun and cradled his baby. My wife spent hours sitting on the chair there while he sat on her lap. Okay, he was 15 months old and pretty heavy too. Now author is telling that he was too heavy, but जो कि 15 मंथ्स का हो चुका है. मेरी वाइफ वहीं उस आइलैंड पर जाती है, एक चेयर अरेंज की हुई है वहीं आइलैंड पर, वो बैठती है और वो ब्रूनो आकर के उसकी गोदी में बैठ जाता है, उसके लैप में बैठ जाता है. वो उस इतने हैवी को, दैट इज व्हाई ऑथर वाज सरप्राइज कि वो उसे अभी भी बेबी की तरह ट्रीट करती है और ब्रूनो भी उसकी गोद में वैसे ही अभी भी बैठ जाता है, इतना बड़ा होने के बाद भी और हैवी होने के बाद भी. नाउ ऑथर इज टेलिंग दिस इंसिडेंट दैट वाज मच इंटरेस्टिंग, that the way my wife reached the island and leaves it is was really interesting. कि कैसे मेरी वाइफ वहां तक पहुंचती है, कैसे उसके पास तक खाना पहुंचाया जाता है और कैसे मेरी वाइफ वापस आती है ब्रूनो के पास, because his wife went with the food to Bruno. Okay, वो खाना लेकर के जाती है ब्रूनो के लिए और वापस उसे खिला के उसको उसके साथ टाइम स्पेंड करके ही वापस आती है. So what was this? I have tied a rope to the overhanging branch of mango tree with a loop. Loop, do you know? एक रोप को बड़े से मैंगो ट्री से कनेक्ट किया हुआ है, उसकी जो ब्रांच है, स्प्रेड ब्रांचेस हैं, उससे बांधा हुआ है. कहाँ? अपने घर के पास, जो कि उनके घर से बहुत बड़ा ब्रॉड सा एक ट्री है. ठीक है. अब यहाँ पर वो रॉक है, ये मान लीजिए हाउस है और यहाँ उसमें एक लॉक बनाया हुआ है रोप में. लूप एक लूप बनाया हुआ है. लूप मीन्स एन ओवल शेप. ओके, रस्सी को यहाँ से टाइड अप करके एक ओवल शेप में गोल सर्कल बना दिया है उसमें टाइड अप करके. ठीक है. अब वो यहाँ पर क्या करती है, यहाँ पर एक पैर रखती है अपना और किक करती है और सीधे पास होकर के यहाँ पहुंचती है. फिर यहाँ ऐसे ही उतर जाती है, वहां बैठती है, टाइम स्पेंड करती है दोनों के साथ और उस रस्सी को वहीं पर रख लेती है. Isn't it? Again she does the same activity. ओके, वो उस लूप में अपना पैर रखती है, किक करती है और फिर यहाँ पर आ जाती है. वो झूलते हुए वहां जाती है और झूलते हुए ही यहाँ वापस आती है. Isn't it? It was too interesting, like author is telling, because they can't it can be dangerous that Bruno can't come this side. Okay, इसीलिए उन्होंने ये स्पेस ऐसा बनाया हुआ है कि Bruno यहाँ ना आ सके. So they used this type of trick to reach it. Okay, and now he is telling that 6 foot gap, because this gap was 6 foot. Okay, so it was easiest for his wife to reach this place while doing this activity. And the return journey is made the same way, but who can say now that a sloth bear has no sense of affection? Now author is asking from everyone that now nobody in this world that can say like sloth bear are not having affection and love towards human beings, right? Because he has proved it by the Bruno, isn't it? And no memory and no individual characteristics means पहले उसके फ्रेंड्स ने यही बताया था, जैसा कि कहा था that Bruno will not identify or not recognize his wife, isn't it? But now he has proved it that no one can say this, कि अब कोई भी ये बात नहीं कह सकेगा that the sloth bear are not having love, affection and their individual character traits, isn't it? They have.